Welcome to this complete and updated comparison of Java and Python in 2025. If you are a beginner wondering which programming language to learn, or a developer trying to decide which to master next, this video is for you. We'll break down the differences, use cases, performance, job trends, and future scope. Let's dive in. Java and Python have been two of the most in-demand programming languages for decades. In 2025, their roles have become even more distinct as technologies like artificial intelligence, big data, and cloud-native systems continue to grow. To help you choose the right one, we'll explore how they differ across key areas, from syntax to salaries. Let's start with a basic overview. Java is a statically typed, object-oriented language. It's been the backbone of large-scale applications, from enterprise software to Android apps. Python, on the other hand, is dynamically typed and known for its simple, readable syntax. It's especially popular for automation, artificial intelligence, and data science. Both are powerful, but are built for different priorities. When it comes to learning, Python is often recommended for beginners. Its clean and minimal syntax makes it very easy to pick up, even for those without a programming background. In fact, many people enter tech through Python because it feels more like writing English. Java, while more verbose, teaches solid programming concepts like object-oriented design. It's a bit tougher for beginners, but great for building a strong technical foundation. Now let's talk about speed. Java is generally faster in execution. Thanks to the just-in-time compiler in the Java virtual machine, Java code gets optimized during runtime, giving it excellent performance, especially for backend and mobile apps. Python, being an interpreted language, is slower in raw performance. However, tools like PyPy and Cython are helping close that gap. In AI and scripting, performance often isn't the main concern, flexibility is. In 2025, artificial intelligence is everything, and here's where Python dominates. It's the #1 language for machine learning and AI. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn are Python first. Most data scientists and AI researchers use Python by default. Java is trying to catch up with libraries like Deep Java Library and DL4J, and it's being used in production environments where stability is key. But for development and experimentation, Python wins by far. So where is each language used today? Java is still a top choice for enterprise applications, large-scale backend systems, and Android development, though Kotlin is rising in Android space. Spring Boot remains the industry favorite for microservices and scalable backends. Python dominates in data science, machine learning, web automation, and scripting. It's also gaining ground in web development through frameworks like Django and Flask. Both languages offer strong career paths, but in different areas. In 2025, Java developers continue to have stable roles in large corporations, especially in banking, telecom, and enterprise IT. These are high-paying, long-term jobs. Meanwhile, Python developers are in hot demand in AI startups, data engineering, and automation. Python roles are often more flexible, remote-friendly, and innovative. Bottom line, if you want stability, go Java. If you want innovation, go Python. Next, let's look at the ecosystem and community support. Java has massive corporate backing from companies like Oracle and IBM. Its ecosystem is mature, well-documented, and highly professional. Tools like IntelliJ IDEA and Eclipse are enterprise-grade. Python thrives on open-source contributions. It has a massive, active community on platforms like GitHub and Stack Overflow. Tools like Jupyter Notebooks and VS Code make Python very accessible, especially for learners. Looking ahead, Python will continue leading in AI, data analytics, and automation. It's not just a language, it's a gateway into the future of tech. Java, meanwhile, remains irreplaceable in many industries. Financial systems, high-performance servers, and large backend infrastructures will keep relying on it for years to come. The smartest strategy? If possible, learn both, Python for the future of AI, and Java for enterprise power. So here's the final verdict. Choose Python if you want to work in AI, data science, automation, or if you're just starting out. Choose Java if you are aiming for large-scale backend development, Android apps, or want a career in big tech companies. And if you are truly ambitious, master both, and become a full-stack, AI-ready developer. Thanks for watching. So, what's your pick, Java or Python? Let me know in the comments with #TeamJava or #TeamPython. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights powered by AI.